You will have received your MAS demo unit, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set it up. So the contents will be wrapped in bubble wrap, but for video purposes it's all unwrapped at the moment. You will have a user manual and contents list inside this black folder. So just going to lift out the parallelogram first. This will have a black cable tie on it which we'll need to cut. I'm just going to put this to side one initially, and we're going to make the base frame first. So we've got two cross legs, and you will see that there's two black screws in each one, so we're just going to remove them first, and they're just hand tightened, so no tools required. And same for the second one. And then, so this is a cross section, and you'll see there's two holes in either end, and that's what we're going to use to attach these two legs. Move them to one side. And then through these two holes that line up, we're going to put our screws, and then on the underneath fasten these just by hand tightening, but make sure they're done nice and tightly. Before I do the next one, you'll also see there is a break, so this is optional that you want to clip off to be able to move the base frame around. And then we're just going to line up the other one. And again, two screws go through the holes, and our two black stoppers hand tightened. And the last one, so that's 4 in place. You've then got the upright pole. Before that can go in here, these two black stoppers need to be loosened so that they clear the hole inside. And then this will be able to slide right down to the bottom. Just hand tighten, but make sure it is really secure. And then up here you've got a silver bolt at the top. Just remove that and hold on to that. This is where the parallelogram is going to go. So you'll see there is a hole in there. It's going to line up with this, and that just pushes firmly in place. And then put that silver bolt back on the top. And make sure it's tight, but again, just hand tightened. So at the moment you'll see it swings around freely. To stop that happening when it's not in use, you've got this anti-swivel device. So just loosen it so it moves up. It's got a little groove on the black part here that lines up with the bolt underneath the parallelogram. You then have in your box a bag of miscellaneous items. So that includes the forearm shells, and we have a separate training link to show you how to use this. I'm just going to take you through putting this together. So two black screws underneath, make sure they're loose so that the grooves are open to slide on. And that's fastened tightly, and then the stopper here, just fold it up. That's only folded down for packing purposes. So that is your SaeboMAS built, and then I encourage you to go through the online training link on how to use this in addition to the manual that's in the box. Any questions, as usual, please do email us at ukinfo@saebo.com or call our office number 01707 323 633. Thank you.